believe that the weather is ideal for a win today. We have the right surface, we have the right vibe, and we have the right community members here bringing us a vibe to cheer us on, right? Update on the individual skipping competition. The individual skipping competition, oh, I think we have a technical knockout, and we have a winner. A winner with 171 steps or jumps. Contest 2, number 1. Time update, please. Give me a time update. A time update, 12 minutes and 50 seconds and counting. Contestant number 3, Tammy, the hula hoop genius. Now, coming up at just about 3 o'clock, we'll be having the jingle competition. I keep reminding you of this. As a matter of fact, team members, I see someone here with a paper. Check if she has a pen. Give her a pen for me. That red blouse with the Mickey on it. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. She wants to script the jingle. I see the paper. I tell you, my name is Michael Forsyth. Come on, get her a pen. The jingle you gotta write. You gotta talk about 14 and 14. I'll tell you what that is in a little bit. NCUFM, that's the station you're hearing from today. Education and wellness. Because NCUFM is your education and wellness station. 14 and 14 is where the NCUFM team, we do a road tour. We're going to all the 14 parishes of Jamaica. We're therefore off our movement on the road. And we're glad that today we're in Ultra Race. Now we have the medal presentation to the winner of the individual skip rope competition. And presenting the prize to the winner of the individual skipping competition. One sec. Yes, one sec. It's Ruthan, the driver car. She's getting an NCUFM branded water bottle. I believe they are BPA free. Let me see the bottle 1 sec. Oh yeah, definitely BPA. No. Fitness school. You ready? Okay, let's go. Here we go. Let me hear it from Tamika. Oh yeah. Let me hear it for Tamika. As she exits the stage. Let me try some. NCUFM. Let me hear it for Tamika. Oh yeah. All right. Ultra Race. Let me hear it for Tamika. Yeah, she is. We are with the tug of war today. I know. We'll have to win the tug of war today. We got this. Well, here what's going to happen now. We need to set up for the rope relay. We want members of the Ultra Race community to be a part of this. Okay, we've been asked for a time update for Tammy, contestant number 3 on the hula hoop competition, 15 minutes and 49 seconds and counting. Alright, all those on the paveway, just step forward on the grass with me. All those, no, step forward, not back, step forward. Yeah man, step forward onto the grass area. Okay people, we're going to create a running track right here. Everyone who's on the pavement, could you just step on the grass with me please? All the persons who are on the pavement, just step off the pavement and on the grass. Alright, Andrew Forsyth, come in with me. Alright. You have a jingle for us too? Let me tell you, peach blouse. I see you with a paper. You got a jingle for us too? Yes, wonderful. Remember, your jingle should include